Alright, welcome to Introduction to Human Anatomy. We are going to use this outline. We're going to define anatomy, brief history, anatomical terminology, anatomical frame, directions, and movements. What is anatomy? Anatomy is derived from Greek word anatomy, means cutting up, often defined as the study of structures in the human body. Anatomy can be subdivided into gross anatomy, microscopic anatomy, developmental anatomy, and the other specialized branches. Gross anatomy or macroscopic anatomy is the study of structures visible to the naked eyes, such as organs, muscles, bones, often through dissection. It is further divided into regional anatomy, systemic anatomy, and the surface anatomy. Regional anatomy or topographical anatomy is the study of the body based on specific regions. Example, the head, neck, and the limbs. Systemic anatomy is the study of human body by organizing structures into specific systems, like the cardiovascular system, the skeletal system, the nervous system, to understand their functions and the interrelations. Surface anatomy is the study of external bodily features, landmarks, and proportions without dissection, linking them to deeper structures in the body. Microscopic anatomy is the study of structures requiring magnification. This one we use microscope, and it comprises of cytology, the study of cells, and the histology, the study of tissues. Developmental anatomy is a branch of anatomy that studies the structural changes that occur in an organism from fertilization to maturity, commonly focusing on the process of embryogenesis and fetal development. Other specialized branches of anatomy are pathological anatomy, study of structural changes caused by disease. We have radiographic anatomy, study of internal structures visualized by the X-ray. We make use of X-ray in radiographic anatomy. We have molecular anatomy, study of anatomical structures at subcellular level. Basic anatomical terminologies provide a precise, universal language for locating and describing body structures. These are some of the anatomical terminologies and their general name. The cephalic is the head, or towards the head or head region. The cervical is neck. Axillary or axilla means the armpit. Thoracic is chest region. Oral is mouth. Pedal is foot. Digital or phalanges, fingers. Anatomical positions is a standard method of observing or imaging a body that allows precise and consistent anatomical reference. A body is said to be in anatomical position when standing upright, as seen in this picture, facing forward, head level, eye facing forward, feet flat on the floor, arms at the side, palms turned forward, as seen in this picture. The term position and direction describe the position of one body part relative to another. We have the superior. Superior refers to structures being closer to the head or higher than another structure in the body. Like the head is superior to the neck, the head is inferior, the head is upper, lies superior to the neck. Inferior refers to structure being closer to the feet or lower. than another structure in the body. Example, the neck is inferior to the head. There are so many other structures. Just write it on the comment section. The structure that is inferior to another. Neck is inferior to the head. Anterior refers to structure being more in front than another structure in the body. Like the sternum is right anterior to the heart. The sternum is anterior to the heart. For other structures that rise anterior. Posterior refers to structures being more in the back than another structure in the body. The heart rises posterior to the sternum. Medial refers to structure being closer to the midline or median plane of the body than another structure. There are some structures that lie medial, like the nose is medial to the ear. The eye is medial. The eye is medial to the ear. Lateral refers to structures being further away from the midline than another structure of the body. The ear is lateral to the eye. The ear is lateral to the eye. Look for other structures that are lateral and write it in the comment section. Proximal. Proximal refers to structures being closer to the root of the limb than another structure in the body. Example, the nail. The nail is proximal to the toes, and the hip is at the proximal end of the leg. Look for some other structures. There are so many structures that rise proximal to another body structure. Write it. Distal refers to structures being further away from the root than another structure in the limb. Distal, example, the wrist is distal to the elbow. The wrist is distal to the elbow. Anatomical planes are fixed lines of references along which the body is often divided or sectioned to facilitate viewing of its structures. It allows to obtain three-dimensional perspective by studying the body from different views. We have sagittal plane. Sagittal plane divide the body into right and the left portion. Right and left portion. The sagittal plane divide the body into the right and the left portion. The mid-sagittal or median plane are names for the plane dividing the body into equal right and left halves. Equal right. If you look at this diagram here, you see the sagittal plane dividing the body into equal halves. The frontal plane or coronal plane is either you call it frontal plane or coronal plane, divided the body into front and back portion, front and back portion. The transverse plane divide the body into upper and lower portion. Divide the body into upper and the lower portion. Thank you very much.